A great hello to all class 9 students and class. Today we are going to have another class for commercial studies. The name of the chapter is Profit and Non-Profit Organizations, which we started yesterday. Just make a short revision. Profit organizations are those organizations which are run in order to earn profit, right? These organizations, basic purpose of these organizations is to earn profit. Like for example, if you just talk of a very simple example, Reliance company. Who doesn't know about Reliance Foundation, right? So Reliance is working just in order to earn profit. They are earning profit. That's why they are running. They don't sell their products for free, right? The basic purpose is to earn what? Profit, right? In the same way, you have non-profit organizations also. Non-profit organizations are those organizations which are not run in order to earn money. They are not run in order to earn money. The basic purpose is to serve people, right? So in Hindi, if I repeat it, प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस वो ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस होती हैं जो प्रॉफिट के लिए काम करती है, पैसों के लिए काम करती है. बल्कि नॉन प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस वो ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस होती हैं जो पैसों के लिए काम नहीं करती बल्कि लोगों को सेवा देने के लिए काम करती हैं. तो ये तो हमने पढ़ लिया था कल. नाउ टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद टाइप्स ऑफ नॉन प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस, राइट? टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद व्हाट? टाइप्स ऑफ नॉन प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस. So this basically is going to be our topic for the day. So the first one is charitable organizations. Now we are doing types of non-profit organization. The first one is charitable organization. What does this says? This says that these organizations are there to provide some kind of assistance to people. Okay? They provide what? They provide help to people. Help to people. Now this help could be of different type. Financial help or physical help or some sort of sentimental or mental or psychological help. So these are the charitable organization which provide help to the people, right? Like for example, you got example of Tata Cancer Foundation is the example. Tata Cancer Foundation is the foundation which are helping to the people who are poor and they are suffering from cancer. So in this case, what Tata is doing? Tata is a charitable organization and they are helping the cancer patients out there, the patients, those who are poor and cannot afford the treatment. So in this case, the best example is going to be Tata Cancer Foundation, right? So these are the organizations which provide us help to the people. It could be any way, like it could be in the way of donations or it could be in the way of some sort of free treatment, anything, right? So they provide help to the people. Like old age home is also a good example. Old age homes, cancer foundations. So these type of organizations, they are not working for money. They are not at all working for money. They are working to help people, to give sort of any kind of assistance to the people. They provide services only. Now the another type of non-profit organization is educational organizations. Now all those organizations which are related to education, which are related to what? Which are related to education. They are providing free education or they are providing subsidized education or they are providing a scholarship. These all these all organizations are not working for money. Rather they are there to help people. So any education related to these type of education organizations are related to education, like providing free education or scholarships. Example could be government run schools, IIMs, IITs, IIMs, ठीक है, big business house, educational institutes. So educational organizations वो organizations होती हैं जो लोगों की education से जुड़ी हुई help करती हैं. ये again they are not working for money, they are there to help what? To help the people and to assist them. They try to give them what? Free education. These could be free education, scholarship. ये कुछ examples इसके हो सकते हैं. Now the third type of the third religious organization, the third type of non-profit organization is religious organization. Third is your religious organization. Religious means which are connected with the religion, with your dharma. So these organizations, these are like temples, churches. They provide what? Facilities to people for different activities. Like if you go to gurudwaras, you can go there, worship there, and moreover you get food also there. So and there are many other things which these gurudwaras or churches or temples do. They provide people with food, they provide dharamshalas, they provide shelter facilities to the people, they provide with certain different kinds of religious activities like your prayers and all. So these are the organizations which are concerned with the religion, and the examples could be your temple, church, etc. So these are the examples. They provide people with what? They provide people with mental health. They provide people with sentimental, psychological, and emotional support. With the religious feeling support, they provide them. Right? Then the another type of organization, non-profit organization, is public health organization. Fourth is now the another is public health organization. Now what does this talk about? Right? These are all those organizations, all those centers, all those groups which help people with health facilities, right? Like you have free medical checkups, then you have organizations which are conducting free health checkups, or dispensaries providing them with free medicines. So these all comes under what? These all comes under your public health organizations, right? So examples could be public hospitals, free dispensaries, right? Dispensaries could free dispensaries. They provide what? They provide people free health facilities. Again, these facilities are given in order to keep people healthy, and especially to the weaker section of society. Weaker section of society is that section which is weak, which is poor, which cannot afford the expenses because they are poor. So these type of organizations help public health organizations or public health organizations. They provide what? Free medical checkups and medicines to these kind of people. Again, they are not working for what? Money, right? The next type of organization that comes under non-profit organization is municipal organization. Right? Now, municipal organization is, you know that municipal is a local government, and they also provide what facilities to people, like sanitary facilities, or they do sanitizations. Then you have sewage facility, clean drinking water, and these all things. So these are provided by what? By whom? By municipal organizations, right? Municipal authorities in every state and union territories provide sewage, disposal facilities, or sanitization or cleanliness facilities to the people. Like for example, you must be receiving the garbage collecting vehicle at your home also. So these are again the facilities given by whom? By municipal corporations. They come to help you so that the proper sanitary conditions can be maintained. Again, they are not working for profit side, right? Now the sixth type of non-profit organization are political organization. नाउ पॉलिटिकल ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस क्या होते हैं? पॉलिटिकल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जो राजनीति से जुड़ा है, प्राय ये आपके नेता, एमएलए, एमपीज, ये सब क्या है? आप लीडर्स जो है, बेसिकली लीडर्स आर देयर टू टेक केयर ऑफ योर पॉलिटिकल इंटरेस्ट, राइट? दे टेक केयर ऑफ पीपल्स political interest. Right? So they take care of your political interests, they try and understand the problems you face, and they try to cater your needs as well. So these organizations, again, they don't work for money, they work for the political interest of the people. Like for example, you can take any political party, like it's Congress or it's BJP or it's Aam Aadmi Party or Samajwadi Party. These all are political parties, and they do not work for money, they work for the betterment of the people, betterment of the society, and betterment of the nation. So these are also the organizations. The another type of organization is mutual benefit organization. Mutual benefit organizations. Mutual benefit organizations. What are mutual benefit organizations? Mutual benefit organizations are organizations formed by some people, and they work for each other. They work for the people of that organization. They create a group and they work for themselves. Right? Now, these are voluntary associations set up for the benefit of their member and the public. They form a group, they are volunteers, they form a group. वो अपनी मर्जी से ग्रुप बना लेते हैं और अपने members की तो help करते ही करते हैं, साथ में वो आउटसाइडर्स की भी हेल्प करते हैं. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल योर हिंद मजदूर सभा, HMS इज द गुड एग्जाम्पल. हिंदू मजदूर सभा में क्या होता है? ऑल द पीपल दोज हु आर लेबर, इट्स लेबर फाउंडेशन और लेबर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन फॉर्म्ड बाय द पीपल दोज who think about the betterment of labor, and they not only help the members of the organization but also the outside people. The last example is or the type is Commonwealth organization. Commonwealth organization. Commonwealth organization basically help people at large. Help people at large. ये लोगों को बेसिकली सारे ही लोगों को क्या करते हैं? हेल्प करते हैं. जैसे कि आपका एग्जाम्पल हो सकता है पुलिस, ठीक है, then firefighters, fire brigade, firefighters, then they also help people. They don't make any kind of any distinction between people. They are there to look after the, if we just take an example of police, they are there to look after the law and order conditions. They see that whether everything is going in order or not. They catch hold of the culprits and they help the victims, right? So the police is not only working for a particular section of society, they work for the whole society, the whole of the whole nation. So this is also one of the example, or this is last type of non-profit organizations. So commonweal organizations. So we have altogether done around 8 types of what we have done 8 types of non-profit organizations. Now we are going to do a comparison between profit and non-profit organizations. We have already studied what is profit and what is non-profit organizations, and now we are going to do a comparison between them. Comparison between profit and non-profit organizations, right? This is the basis of distinction we are going to do. This is a profit organization and this is a non-profit organization. So basically we are going to read the difference, right? First of all, the first difference is going to be your motive. The first is your motive. When we talk about the motive, we mean what is the goal, what is the objective, why they are working. So as far as the profit organizations are concerned, they are working purely for profits, right? They are working for what? They are working for profit, and they are to give services. They are working in order to give services to people. They want to serve people. Main function. Now second is function, production and distribution. So the main function of profit organization is to do production and to sell them in order to earn profit. They produce and they distribute, and they want to provide help. They want to provide what? Help. So their main function is to what? Provide help to people. They do not work for money. Again, I told you earlier also I told you. The third basis for difference is the risk. The risk here you have, what do you have here? You have high risk out here, and here you do not have any risk, or a very low risk, you can say. You have a low risk here. So next is your net result of operation. Net result. What is going to be a net result? Whatever activity you are doing, whether it's a profit organization or non-profit organization, what is going to be the result? So the net result here is going to be either you are going to get profit, or you will get what? Loss, right? In the case of this, here you get surplus or deficit. Surplus and deficit again means या तो कुछ ज़्यादा या तो something less, right? It has a great deep meaning, but it will be enough for you to just let you know that what is surplus and what is deficit. Tax. Here, as far as the tax is concerned, right? As far as the tax is concerned, the profit organization are supposed to pay tax. That is, they are payable, non-payable. Sixth, government help. So available, not available, no help. Either you can write no help, help given. So now let's read it. Now we are basically doing here the difference between profit organization and non-profit organizations, right? We are doing the difference between these two. Now this is the basis on which we are doing distinction. This is a profit organization, this is non-profit organization. Now the first is your motive. Motive means what is the objective, क्या कारण है, आप क्यों कर रहे हो. So the profit organization, they work in order to earn profit, whereas non-profit organization, they just want to give services, they want to provide services to the people, they do not work for profit. Now the second is function. Function मतलब क्या काम करते हैं. तो जो profit organization है, they are basically doing production and distribution. They are producing and they are distributing through sales. ठीक है. And non-profit organization, they do not do any kind of production. They only want to provide what? Help to the people. Third is your risk. As far as risk is concerned, खतरा या रिस्क क्या होता है, आपका प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में बहुत हाई रिस्क होता है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे प्रोड्यूसर क्या करता है, पैसा लगाता है चीज़ों पे, मशीनरी पे, फैक्ट्री पे, लेबर्स पे, राइट, और वो पैसा उसको नुकसान होगा कि नहीं होगा, तो यहाँ पे क्या है, बहुत हाई रिस्क होता है प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में. बल्कि नॉन प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ पैसा लगाया नहीं जाता है, वहाँ पे कोई प्रोडक्शन होता नहीं है, इसलिए यहाँ पे रिस्क क्या रहेगा, बहुत लो रहेगा, किसी भी तरह का कोई खतरा नहीं है. द नेक्स्ट इज योर नेट रिजल्ट. नाउ नेट रिजल्ट मतलब जो आप एक्टिविटी कर रहे हो उसका रिजल्ट क्या है. तो इन द केस ऑफ प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जो भी रिजल्ट आएगा या तो वो प्रॉफिट होगा या तो वो लॉस होगा. इसी केस में नॉन प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में आपको प्रॉफिट लॉस जैसी कोई चीज़ तो होती नहीं है, तो आपको सरप्लस होता है या डेफिसिट होता है, या तो आपके पास कोई चीज़ ज़्यादा रहती है या तो आपके पास कम रहती है. Then as far as tax is concerned, profit organizations, the tax you have to pay the tax to the government, and non-profit organization में आपको कोई टैक्स सरकार को नहीं देना है. प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में आपको प्रॉफिट के ऊपर अपना टैक्स देना पड़ेगा, प्रोडक्शन के ऊपर टैक्स देना पड़ेगा, लेकिन नॉन प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को किसी तरह का कोई भी टैक्स गवर्नमेंट को नहीं देना होता. द लास्ट इज गवर्नमेंट हेल्प. यहाँ पे गवर्नमेंट हेल्प से मतलब है क्या गवर्नमेंट हेल्प करती है, तो प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की गवर्नमेंट किसी तरह की कोई हेल्प नहीं करती है, बल्कि नॉन प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की गवर्नमेंट हेल्प करती है. ताकि आपको क्या लगता है गवर्नमेंट क्यों हेल्प करती होगी नॉन प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस की, वो उनको पैसे दे के हेल्प करती है या किसी और तरह की हेल्प करती है, ताकि नॉन प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन और अच्छी तरह से काम कर सके और लोगों का क्या हो सके, वेलफेयर हो सके, लोगों की भलाई हो सके, लोगों की हेल्प हो सके. सो दिस इज द डिफरेंस चिल्ड्रन दैट वी हैव डन टुडे, एंड टुमारो इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो विल बी स्टडीइंग मोर अबाउट चैरिटेबल ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस. ठीक है, आई विल बी सेंडिंग यू सम नोट्स एंड यू complete those notes. All right, till then take care of yourself. Bye.